What if I told you Toyota just dropped the most insane camper the world has ever seen, and it comes with 2 full floors of living space packed into something you can actually drive on the highway? Yeah, this is not a concept. This is not a rendering from some designer's dream board. The 2026 Toyota double-decker camper is real, it is coming, and it is about to completely rewrite the rules of overlanding and van life as we know it. Stick around, because by the end of this video you are going to understand exactly why this thing is causing a full-blown meltdown in the camping and RV community. Let me set the stage for you. For years Toyota has been teasing the idea of pushing deeper into the camper and recreational vehicle market. They already dominate with the Land Cruiser, the Tacoma, the Tundra, and of course the legendary Hi-Ace vans that people around the world have been converting into campers for decades. But this time Toyota decided to go all in. They took the concept of a traditional camper van and literally stacked another floor on top of it. The result is a double-decker camper that offers more usable living space than most small apartments while still being road legal and surprisingly practical for everyday driving. So let us talk about what this thing actually looks like. The 2026 Toyota double-decker camper is built on a heavy-duty chassis that Toyota developed specifically for this platform. It is not just a Hi-Ace with a box on top. The lower body has a sleek modern design with smooth aerodynamic lines that reduce wind resistance even with that second story sitting up there. The upper deck features a pop-up or fixed roof system depending on the trim level you go with. When the upper section is fully deployed you get a total interior standing height that lets even tall people move around comfortably on both levels. The exterior comes in several color options including classic white, matte gray, forest green, and a sand beige that looks absolutely perfect for desert camping. There are integrated roof rails on top for solar panels, extra storage, or even a rooftop awning. LED lighting runs along the exterior for nighttime visibility, and the whole thing sits on rugged all-terrain tires that give it a surprisingly aggressive and capable stance. Now let us get inside, because this is where things get truly wild. The lower level of the camper serves as the main living area, and it is packed with everything you need. You walk in through a sliding door on the side and immediately you are greeted with a fully equipped kitchenette that includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink with running water from a built-in fresh water tank, and a compact refrigerator that runs on the vehicle's electrical system. There is a foldable dining table with bench seating that can accommodate 4 adults comfortably. The bench seats also convert into an additional sleeping area if you need it. Storage compartments are everywhere. Toyota's engineers clearly obsessed over every square inch of this interior because there are hidden drawers under the seats, overhead cabinets with soft close hinges, and even a pull-out pantry beside the kitchen area. The lower level also houses a wet bath that includes a cassette toilet and a small shower with a privacy curtain. It is compact, but it is fully functional, and that is a game changer for people who do not want to rely on campground facilities. The upper deck is dedicated entirely to sleeping and relaxation. You access it via a lightweight aluminum ladder that folds flat against the wall when not in use. Up top you get a king-size sleeping platform with a high-density foam mattress that Toyota says was designed in collaboration with a Japanese sleep technology company. There are reading lights, USB charging ports, small shelving nooks for your phone and books, and ventilation windows on all sides that give you a panoramic view of wherever you are parked. Imagine waking up on that upper deck with a mountain view or an ocean sunrise right outside your window. That is the experience Toyota is selling, and honestly they are going to sell a lot of them. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper comes with 2 powertrain options. The base model features a 2.8-liter turbodiesel 4-cylinder engine producing around 201 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This engine is proven, reliable, and fuel-efficient, which matters when you are hauling a double-decker camper across the country. The second option is a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor for a combined output of approximately 240 horsepower. The hybrid version also allows for electric-only mode at low speeds, which means you can creep into a campsite late at night without waking up every neighbor in the campground. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is available on higher trims, giving you the confidence to venture off the beaten path. When it comes to technology, Toyota loaded this camper up. You get a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering in tight spots, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and Toyota's full safety sense suite. The camper also has a dedicated app that lets you monitor battery levels, water tank capacity, interior temperature, and even lock or unlock the doors remotely. Now the big question. What does it cost? The base model of the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper starts at approximately $65,000. The mid-level trim with the hybrid powertrain and additional interior upgrades comes in around $78,000. And the fully loaded top-tier version with all-wheel drive, premium interior materials, a larger solar panel array, and an upgraded battery system for extended off-grid camping tops out at roughly $92,000. Compared to traditional Class B and Class C motorhomes that can easily run well over $100,000 with far less innovation, these prices are genuinely competitive. If you have made it this far in the video, you are clearly someone who appreciates incredible engineering and the freedom of the open road, so do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on content like this. Toyota is not just building a camper here. They are building a lifestyle vehicle that could genuinely replace the need for a traditional RV for thousands of adventurers around the world. The 2026 Toyota double-decker camper is bold, practical, and priced to move. Keep your eyes open because this one is going to be everywhere very soon.